Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up TickTick Actions Automation for workflow apps. Once you're on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Click on Install. Here, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to a schematic video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the setup. At the level of the setup, here we notice that our app haven't yet been connected. But no worries. We are going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to copy your redirect URL and head over to your account online. Once you're here, click on New App. You're going to enter your app name. And here, you're going to enter your app service URL. Here, you're going to give it a description. Once you're done, click on Add. On the app name, you're going to click on Edit. Here, you're going to paste your redirect URL. Scroll up and click on Save. Click again on Edit and copy your client's ID. Head over back to your account. Click on Start Setup. Paste your client's ID. Go back to your account online, copy your client secret, head over back to your account and paste your client secret. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup. Then the authorization page is going to pop up. We're going to click on Allow. There we go, our app has successfully been connected and set up. We equally have the support center. At the level of the support center, you can create a ticket for our support team or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of the app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email and click on subscribe. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you to get everything set up. If you need any help, our support team is here for you 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.